Hello, my name is Diego Vera, and I'm a part of the EFEC team. The product owner for this project is Masood Sajadi, and our emails are below in case you have any questions or concerns. In this video, I'm going to cover EFRT-1672, which covers the front end for adding and deleting credit cards. All right, so before we start going into the feature, I want to show you that the database is completely empty. So to start, we're going to go into account and I select, actually, let me close all the documents. I select the top 1000 rows, and as you can see, I have an account here. I have login ID 5. So if I show you the login, it's test login with random data, but it has login ID number 5 here. So from there, we have the account and it should be associated to a Stripe customer. But it hasn't done anything, so there is no customer here. And then if we go to the credit card, it has no associated credit cards because none exist, and there are no bank accounts associated either. So now that we're done with that, we're going to take a look at the program. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log into the program. So if I go to log into it, I have my Chrome automatically fill out the data because I'm lazy, and I log into it. And it should show my name on the top right. So if I go to my accounts in the drop-down menu, you'll see a page with all of your account information and also your credit card information. And if you have no cards, it should say you have no cards at this time. Now if I click add a credit card, I can add a bunch of cards, but specifically I can add this card as a test card. And I can just put whatever date and zip code I want for it. So if I add the card now, it should, if it takes a second, see it's saved correctly. So it should reflect on the page. So now if we go to the database and we go to credit card, you'll see that here I have my card. And if I go to, I think it's Stripe customer, you've also had a Stripe customer ID created for you. So every customer is going to have their own unique ID for a token. So as we do that, we can delete cards. So if I press the delete button, it should just disappear. And when it says it's removed successfully, it'll refresh the page and show what's going on. But I can also go back to credit card and see that my card has been deleted. The card is still here as a tuple, but it says it's deleted in the database. So we don't show it as long as it's deleted. But if we go back to the Stripe customer information, it's still here because you want your customer to have its own unique token for whenever you're handling transactions. And that's the user story. Please email either me, Diego Vera, or Dr. Masood Sajadi if you have any questions about this feature.